In this video, I want to show you my two wheelchairs I use. They're both the same make and model, Permobil's Tylites TR, but they're very different in their setups. So, this chair is what you've seen in my other videos. It's what I use the most, both in dance and every day. The wheels go straight up and down, so it's a narrow chair, which easily tips sideways. It's a short chair in relation to my torso, so it's easy to do a front wheelie, which is necessary for sideways movement. It also does wheelies, so it's a very small and tippy chair. While this chair is essentially the same frame, though a little bit longer, its angled or cambered wheels drastically change how it moves. This chair is very sturdy and balanced. Because it's so wide, it's difficult to tip sideways. And because it has an anti-tip bar in the back, it doesn't do wheelies. However, it offers a lot of support and allows for another type of movement which can really highlight the user. It's good for extensions, port-a-bras, and with the angled wheels, it turns very fast and easily. Another detail is this chair has fendered side guards, which cover the wheels. Pros and cons, but one benefit is if you're partnering somebody, they can put their weight into you and they won't stop your wheels from moving. Different chairs have different pros and cons, and it's impossible to say what's best.